Okay? But, so what we do, so you started,
Yep. Open that one.
we open the chain up. Make sure that, like that. See
Yep.
how there's,
Yes.
it's hanging like a basketball net, no tangles.
Yep.
The side with the yellow goes around the right hand side of the tyre. So that's the right hand side. So yellow, we just slowly push it around. This part here, as we push it around, make sure that that's tucked out the back. Because we want, yeah.
Will you pack your long leg and bring the
Wait a bit about that. So we open that up. So we've got that laid out here with the red buckle.
Yep.
Right, and that one there. So that's all, there's no tangles. We grab this, we pull it up. That connects on the top of the tyre. That connects together, right?
Yep.
Then you get green to green. Then that pushes over the back. Like that. Make sure this is in the middle. This goes through there, like so. Then this pulls down, hooks on.
Oh.
That's it. Right?
Understand.
When you take them off, green hook must be at the top when you stop. So if it's down the
Okay.
bottom, you've got to drive the car forward. So green's at the top. We undo. We undo here. We undo. We pull this towards you. You reach in, disconnect it, drop it to the ground, move that aside, then drive off it. Okay, so these fit perfectly.
Yep. Thank you.